In this segment, we're going to show how to gut a saltwater fish. Gutting is important if you want to cook the whole fish and have it as a complete fish presentation. It's also important if you're going to fillet the fish, particularly if you're a beginner, because by gutting the fish first, you remove the entrails and the part that contaminates the filleted flesh, and it makes the filleting process a whole lot easier. The first step in gutting the fish is to lay it on the cutting board with your hand firmly in place to hold the fish from moving. We're going to use the knife with the pointed end, very important, and we're going to insert that point in the fish's anus and slice shallowly through the abdominal cavity all the way between the paired pelvic fins, right between the two paired pelvic fins, slicing all the way up to just beneath the jaw, right up to here. Alright, so I'm going to lay my left hand on the fish and roll it slightly away to stretch the skin so that I can make a puncture wound right at the anus and shallowly cut all the way up the ventral surface of the fish between the two paired pelvic fins, right up to this region between the two opercular plates underneath the jaw of the fish, just like that. A very important point to remember is not to insert the knife any deeper than is necessary to just cut through this thin abdominal wall. Inserting the knife too deeply will end up cutting the guts and releasing a lot of toxic material and blood that can contaminate the flesh on the fish.